2006 Nissan Altima 2.5 liter 4-cylinder. It's got a eBay cold air intake, aftermarket header. It's not a name brand, but it's not one of the super cheap ones. It was actually about 200 bucks. So I got an install video on that along with the cold air intake. And we got a muffler delete, but with a performance muffler on there. Install a video on that as well. Do 0 to 60, 0 to 100, and maybe hit the governor. Right there's the governor. I can feel it let off. It's still on the floor, but I felt it let off. It won't let it go any faster.